So it's pretty beautiful weather to be doing this out in. If you can tell, it's raining. It's about 20 degrees. It's supposed to sleet today, so this will be fun. So anyway, I've been looking around forever for this transmission. There's actually a dipstick for it. So everything I've seen, the dipstick has been yellow, but this is a unique car, apparently the 2006. So I finally found it. It is right here where the diagram says, but it's actually gray right here, if you can see. Right there, back behind the turbo, under the intercooler. You don't have to remove anything. You just pull up like that. See it right there. And the hole is right there. Right there. Yeah. Where that blue thing is, there's the hole. So anyway, fluid level you can't even see, so that's a problem. And I already wiped it once, so this definitely needs to be changed. Apparently these dipsticks are notoriously bad for being inaccurate, but we'll see when we drain it how it is. But I'm about to spray paint this red because you can hardly see it, but that's where it is. This is a 2006 Forester XT. Oh, there's the rain. Nice. Anyway, that's after I spray painted it. It's a lot more noticeable. You might want to use this caliper paint or any high temperature paint, because it is going to be in the engine bay, so it'll get hot. Just a thought. Anyway. Okay, so there's the drain plug right there. That's where that 270 is going to go. You can see the CV joints and all that right there. There's a differential, so it's right under here. It's pretty easy to find. So there, I got my pan ready. Pro tip, keep your paper towels under the car when it's raining. You know how these things are. I'm bringing out the breaker bar. It's probably impossible to get loose. Okay, I actually discovered I've been having some leaking problems because this thing was too loose. I can turn it with my finger from after the breaker bar. So, and I did wipe away a little fluid that I saw around here. So you guys should really check this, even if you do get it done at the dealership. It's good to just check it to see if you're losing fluid, because that's bad. Move that bucket a little. I'm getting the heck out of the way here. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Look at that stuff, black. And now we get this guy. Now we get this guy in. Just like that. Ooh! Just like that. Yep. Wow, that is really low fluid from what I can tell. Dang. Okay, so all that nasty stuff is draining. I'm gonna check this drain plug for metal shavings, and looks like we got a few here. Right there, that is, ooh, that is a lot. I'm glad I'm changing this, but you wanna make sure in between your fingers that there's no big shavings, I guess, if you can feel it, like if it feels like sandpaper. This, actually, it's smooth. I'm surprised about that. But it's pretty smooth, that's good. There's a lot of it though, so it hasn't been changed in a while. It's pretty gross. Okay, so I had to use like a razor blade to get this off of here, but that's the old copper crush washer. Here's the new one. So it just goes on right like that. Boom. Make sure it fits too. Order the right part number. Here's the part number again if you guys forgot. There it is. Okay, so you want to check that your funnel fits down here, because it's kind of like, you want to check that you can fill it up before you start it. So mine does, that's good. And also, this is the kind of gear oil I'm using, because this is a manual, so the transmission and differential are in the same case. So first of all, I just pour a little bit in. My theory is it gets some of the old stuff out. And then go ahead and just pour 3.7 quarts of this in. And then fill the cap and you're done. Booyah. Okay.